Good morning, friends. I am at Zion National Park and I arrived here last night, but it was after sundown. I didn't realize that Utah is 1 hour ahead of California time, so I got here kind of late. So I set everything up really quick and had a quick dinner and prepared for the rain because it rained all night last night. Well, mostly in like midnight in the morning, but yeah, it was insane, and it was honestly such a great experience. Hearing the rain beat on the tent, beat down on the tent was really peaceful, and I slept the whole time. My dog slept the whole time. I was able to prepare sufficiently enough to stay warm, and yeah, it was very comfortable. So I think winter camping might be something I'll be continuing to do. But yeah, it's a beautiful morning.
Sometimes love is a river running strong, moving like a wave through a rocky riverbed. Sometimes love is a dancer in the dark, spinning, laughing, twirling through the back door of your heart. And every time I think of you, well, something happens in my mind. And every time I try to leave, you're keeping me occupied. I'm losing track of time. Losing track of time. Sometimes love is a thought we have too long. Sometimes it's alright.
Experiencing the red mountains contrast against the rivers, it was something I never imagined before. Like, how can there be a river in desert terrain? And you can tell like how much the river gives life to the wildlife around it. There's so many deer here, mule deer, white-tailed deer, I think. And there was a lot of like ravens and different types of birds that I'm not sure what their names are, but it was really wonderful to see how much life there is, and it's all due to the river. So that's so cool to see that. And I saw a few waterfalls, and Chicken had a really great time.
Chicken! Wow! Look at you go! Where are you going? Get back here! Get back here! Crazy! Oh. Ready? Oh my goodness!
What's up? We just got back from our hiking trail, and since I get really tired from, going on a hike and then setting everything up, I decided to meal prep for the first time, and this is what I'm eating today. And this is very nutrient dense, so I'm sure this is gonna fuel me for the rest of the night. So, yay! snowed last night, guys. Managed to survive. Good morning, Mr. Chicken. How you feeling? Are you cold, Bubbles? You want to come outside? You comfy? Oh. And then the car. Look at that. That's insane. Good morning, friends. Today is my last day at Zion. I already packed everything up. Everything had snow or flurry on it, so it was freezing cold last night, but we managed to stay warm. I had a specific sleeping bag for this type of weather, and that helped a lot. And I think the tarp that I put on top of the tent also helped out a lot. Especially with like making sure the heat stayed within the tent and hard enough. So that always makes me feel good that, you know, I did my research and I was able to get everything that I needed to make sure that I stayed warm and safe. Hypothermia is a real thing when you're camping in the cold, so just making sure that I'm safe is important. And also being out in nature just makes me feel so much more connected to myself. And I feel like nature is a mirror, and I learned on this trip that during the winter we all go through a slower pace and we have less sunlight, so we might do less than what we would do on a summer camping trip. And I also realized that, you know, I'm really resourceful, and stepping out of my comfort zone is really important for me. I think as someone who has an adventurous spirit, I love to push my limits, and I continue to see like where my limits are and where I can refine and be able to still have a good experience but stay safe and be resilient in any situation. So any challenges that come my way, I'm able to find a solution for it, and I love that. So I think I just discovered a new level, a new deeper level of myself, and I'm really grateful for that. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the next camping trip. Bye.